Hey everyone, my name is Garrett Kreit and I'm a research analyst that's part of the BCIT Applied Research Group, specifically in the Make Plus division. Here I'm showing you our metal forming zone. Now this is a pretty cool area where we either cut sheet metal, bend sheet metal, press things together, or even bend some tubing. We have a kind of host of different machines here. We've got the metal shear. This is a pneumatic tube bender. We've got this manual press brake. Here I've got a large 55-ton hydraulic press. And finally, another hydraulic press brake here. I'm going to start and talk a bit about this tool because it's my favorite in the area. It's a pneumatic tube bender, and what it allows you to do is bend tubes into all sorts of different angles. So if you think about something like a railing for your backyard or stairs and how it has those intricate tube bends, this would be the machine to do that with. And it uses these really cool circular dies that fit the diameter of the tubing and then allow you to make the bends. So any type of complex tube shape can be done with this machine. This one here, the metal shear, actually you use your body weight in order to cut pieces of sheet metal. And that's done to make small type of, boxes or enclosures that you think of. Think of something like, maybe a loaf pan, that type of thing, that could easily be made here with this machine. Same goes for this machine right here, the box brake. You can use this to actually physically bend the material by placing it within and then bending. The hydraulic press is used when you have mechanical components that you need to press together. It's used by pressing this pump on the side here, which in turn actuates a large hydraulic cylinder that's located inside here. We've used this for a variety of different projects. We've built some kind of intricate bent plate shapes with it, as well as used it for broaching when you need an actual mechanical pressing, bearing installations, those types of projects that require a really heavy load larger than what a human can generate. So some important safety requirements are needed in order to use these machines. Specifically, for almost all operations, you want to be wearing safety glasses with these machines. Not so much gloves needed because you need to be able to handle the material that you're working with and you wouldn't want a glove to get caught into the machine, but every one of these machines has a pretty significant finger hazard involved with it. So it's important to be aware of your surroundings, really know the process that you're working on, and always ask questions if you're concerned or don't fully understand how the machine works. And each of these machines is very specific in its function. So while it might not be a jack of all trades, it's the type of machine where if you have a specific process that needs to be done, you're going to know that you need to go to exactly that machine in order to achieve that process. So that's why it's actually a very valuable area within our workspace.